So am I the only one feeling like we're getting some mixed signals here? Are we in a recession or are we not? Well, what we do know is that our economy isn't doing the best that it could be. Inflation is like at an all-time high. Things are extremely expensive, like groceries and gas. So it's becoming a lot more expensive to just live, especially for the average American. So if you're in search for some ideas for side hustles and extra sources of income that you can make to help you make money during a recession, then this is the video for you. I'm here to show you how starting a side hustle in a recession can be one of the most creative ways to survive and thrive. In this video, I will be outlining 5 different online side hustles that most people can start right now with their current skills. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. And as they say, every economic downturn is an opportunity for you to actually build wealth, an opportunity for you to actually skyrocket your income, but only if you're willing to take charge. Now, the first way you can take charge is by liking this video for me and also commenting "I'm ready" in the comment section below. Now, I'm not going to keep you for too long, so let's just go ahead and jump into the information. So your first side hustle idea is going to be budget-friendly DIY tips. In a time where everything is super expensive, people are taking their time and searching out for the best and cheapest options. So you could be creating different content such as videos or even blogs that teaches people how to get all of the things that they need but on a budget. So for example, you can create a digital budget tracker for people who are looking to control their spending. This is something that's going to be extremely affordable and easy to create, and you can sell this on different markets such as Etsy, or if you are doing any type of video content, then all you have to do is promote your budget tracker. Another thing that you can do in terms of content is to give how-tos on shopping. So for example, signing up for the Amazon affiliate program and showing people budget-friendly things that they can find on Amazon. Whether it be through video or through blogging, you just have to share your link and you will get a commission off of anything that they purchase from Amazon using your link. And you can simply share your link, earn a commission, and you're also helping people stay on a budget when they are shopping. Now, the second online side hustle that you can do is digital marketing. As long as social media exists, and I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon, digital marketing skills are going to help you tremendously create another income online, even create a full-time business from it. This is especially true during this holiday season where companies are looking to spend a lot more money on ads and to spend a lot more money getting their products in front of the face of their customers. So here's a few things that you can offer. You can offer social media management. You can offer virtual assistants. You can help people build websites, and you can offer business research services. Now, there's so many other things that go into digital marketing, such as video editing and everything else that you can think of that is going to help a business owner or help an entrepreneur push their products into the faces of potential customers. If you can learn the skill of digital marketing, then you have space to earn a lot of money, especially in this time. The third recession-proof side hustle is going to be selling home decor pieces. Now, you can do this 100% digitally through business models like print on demand and also by selling digital products. You can start by creating affordable wall art and posting it on Etsy. Yes, these things do extremely well, especially on marketplaces geared towards women. You can even try going out and thrifting different furniture pieces and home decor pieces, flipping it and selling it and making it very unique if you're very artsy like that. And that is something that you can also sell on marketplaces like Etsy, or you can even do Facebook marketplaces. One weird thing about people is no matter how much money they have, they want home decor pieces all year round. So that's just something to think about. The fourth recession-proof side hustle is going to be helping out real estate investors. Real estate investors get very excited when the economy is going down, and not in a bad way, but this usually means that the housing market is going to go down as well. And when the housing market goes down, that is just money in their pockets for them. You can actually offer a few freelancing services specifically to real estate investors in order to help them find, market, and promote real estate. So here's a few things that you can do. You can help them create content. So that can be video editing, that can be actually going forth and creating videos for them. You can help them promote new houses through creating different advertisements and brochures from them, and this is something that you could do easily through Canva. You can help them also by creating social media templates for them, showing them how to market on social media, because a lot of real estate investors or people in those types of industries know nothing about social media, so this is where you can step in. You can offer virtual assistants or customer service needs to these types of industries, basically doing digital marketing for a specific group of people that tend to do well in economic downturns. Now, the last but certainly not least is to become an educator in anything. People who educate for a living tend to do well all year round because people are always wanting to learn. Now, especially in an economic downturn, if you start to teach people how to make money, how to save money, or have to do anything with investing in finance, then you will do extremely well. But you don't only have to be in the business and finance sector. You could do things such as cooking. With inflation causing everything to be super high, more people are staying at home and eating rather than going out and purchasing food from fast food restaurants. So if you're a great cook, this is your time to shine and to show people how to make meals for families on a budget, or how to stretch out meals, how to make quick and easy meals, anything like that. But like I said, being an educator can be in any expertise all year around. That is a for sure recession-proof side hustle. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration on what you should start doing right now in order to build an extra income for yourself. Also, make sure that you check out this video right here, because I'm going to be giving you some more money-making tips. All right, guys, thank you so much for lasting this long in the video. I appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.